welcome back to my channel. I'm just here at Walmart. I feel like I'm always here, but we're here getting our car an oil change. I'm in our other car and I'm just waiting for Adrian to, get it checked and get it checked in and all that. And then we have a few errands to run today, and yeah, that's pretty much what we're doing today. Um, these people are literally just staring at me in this other truck, and it's so awkward. They're like young girls, and they just keep like looking at me and seeing what I do. So I don't know, this is kind of awkward, but yeah. So I pretty much just, I don't even know what to say. Literally, this is so awkward. I'll be right back, okay? Okay, so we just got here at Radio Shack, right? That's what it's called?
Yeah, Auto Visions or something like that.
Oh, Auto. I was like, I don't think they have Radio Shacks anymore. Oh, Radio Shack. It is a Radio Shack. What? How come it's called Radio Visions then?
I don't know.
Huh. Interesting. But yeah, we're gonna go look at some stereo systems
Oh, they do
for the vehicle. The Charger's already tinted. You can't even see. Oh yeah, we do need these ones tinted.
A little bit darker.
But okay, we're gonna go inside. I'm not gonna bring the camera because I don't know. But yeah, we'll be right back. Okay, change of plans. Adrian's just gonna go inside and check it out because he doesn't know if there's like loud music in there playing, and we don't want to bring Mackenzie in there and her get scared and stuff. So I'm just gonna hang out in here. Yeah, so hopefully I could talk unless Mackenzie's a little fussy, but yeah, so I don't think he's gonna let me talk. Mackenzie, what's wrong? I'm gonna go back there with her. Okay. Turns out she just wants some snacks. And then she's good, huh? Yeah. She's smiling. Wanna say hi? Say hi there. Day off, so we're kind of happy about that. We're just gonna hang out today. What else are we gonna do? I don't know yet, but I guess you could stay tuned to see what we're gonna get ourselves into. Nothing crazy. I think we're just gonna, shop around places, get our car back, and everything like that. So we'll be back. Hey everybody, we're back. We were in that audio store for like an hour maybe. We did get something for our car, for the, not my Jeep, not for our Jeep, but for our other car. Adrian likes the other car, so he's the one that drives that one, and I drive this one. We're in the Jeep right now, and he always uses our Charger to go to work. Just because this is more like I guess like a family vehicle, it's like a mom mobile, and he likes his muscle cars, so yeah, that's why he's driving that. But yeah, he just got like a system for it, a audio system, and that's like a lot of money, but like he was able to like do like a good little financing deal on it, so it should be good. If he's happy, he was so excited. Like I'm like exhausted, like all that talking about sound systems and everything made me so tired. But yeah, I think we're gonna go get something to eat. Don't know what we're gonna go get to eat. But yeah, we're gonna go do that. Yeah, my hair gets so frizzy. I have like naturally curly hair, like it's naturally just like curly like this, and like I didn't put anything in it this morning because I don't know, just didn't, so it gets frizzy like what, girlfriend? Say what? Yeah, it gets so frizzy. So right now I'm just waiting in the vehicle, waiting for Adrian to pay for the oil change in the other car, and then we're gonna go eat. What's wrong, my baby? What's the matter? Does anybody else, like any moms out there, like they got that, they do that baby talk, like I noticed that I started talking to people the way I talk to Mackenzie, like if I notice somebody's sad or something, or like anything like that, I'm like, oh, what's wrong? Like, I don't know why I do that with other people, but I'm just used to it. Baby, what's wrong, my girls? Oh no. She hates just sitting in the car in one spot, so that's why she's a little fussy. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna drive around so she's like isn't just like in one spot. So, oh my baby, my baby girl. Oh my gosh, I don't know what that is. I thought I just broke my steering wheel. Okay. Okay, look, my girl, we're driving. Ooh, we know how to drive. People are probably like, what in tarnation? Oh, go ahead. Oh my god, I'm driving on the sidewalk. Oh my god. I wasn't driving on the sidewalk, by the way. Just so y'all don't think I'm a crazy driver. I've actually, which is crazy, but I've actually never got a citation, speeding ticket, nothing like that before. So like, yeah, I'm actually a good driver. And I've been driving since I was like 16. I have. Where do I meet you? Huh? Wait, what? Do I go home? Oh, you'll call me? Okay, bye. I don't know what he wants. Okay, so I'm gonna put this down because I'll probably get a ticket with it blocking my views and stuff, so be right back. Hey guys, we're downtown waiting for daddy to get here. We're about to go eat something and I see him. He thinks he's cool.